welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Friday's face mask, but with a difference because today's Saturday. Yeah. As part of my little mini series, I am doing a face mask every Friday. However, yesterday just wasn't a good day for me. I wasn't feeling 100%, so unfortunately I couldn't do it yesterday, but I didn't want to leave it for too long, so I've decided to do it today. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, first thing I've done is cleansed my face. This face mask by Avon, it's the ANew Ultimate Gold Peel Off one. I don't know if you saw my Avon haul that I did the other day. If not, I'll link it up in the cards, up here in the cards, so you can pop over and have a look at that if you'd like to. And that's when I purchased this, and I literally did a little tiny sort of patch test on my arm, just to see what it felt like. And I did say that I would do this on Friday, but yeah, it was Saturday, so I'm going to pop it on now. Let's get my mirror ready. Okay, if you see me looking down a bit, so I'm using the viewfinder to look at you to try and see, but I've got my mirror here next to me as well. Difficulty, I've only got one arm that I can use at the moment. The other one's all strapped up because I've got a broken humerus. If you're new to my channel, you wouldn't know that. But yeah, I've got a broken humerus, so I'm just using one hand. So don't quite know. I'm going to just try and squeeze this out and go for it. It's just a tube, and then you can squeeze. There you go. You can see it coming out. So I'm literally going to just try and squeeze them out onto my fingers. Okay, that's what it looks like. So I'm literally just going to pop it on. Oh, I love it. I mean, I know I did a little patch test on my arm, but oh, isn't it lovely? What a lovely colour. Okay, what am I gonna, let me just squeeze it onto there. It's probably easier. Okay, I'm gonna just try and get it a little bit thicker so that I can peel it off nicely. Feels lovely. It smells nice. I very rarely use a peel off mask now. I do like them, and in fact my favorite one that I've used is, I think it's the Manuka honey one. I absolutely love that, but I haven't used it for a long time because I've been using some of the ones from Poundland and a lot of the sheet masks lately. If you have a look on my playlist, you'll see all the face masks that I've been using. But this one, as I say, I got from Avon, and it was £8. I would never normally spend £8 on a face mask. You know, I usually spend £1, maybe £1.50, £2 sometimes maybe, but normally I wouldn't spend, there's no way I would spend £8. But I thought, for the sake of this little mini series that I'm doing, I just want to go a little bit more sort of high end. Not to say it's any better, but you know, expense wise, just to see what this one's like. So I'm just going to pop it all on, and then this one you leave for about 15 minutes until it's dry. And then when I tried it on my arm, as a little patch test on my arm, it didn't come off as a peel off mask. It more rolled off. So I'll be interested to see what it actually does when I take it off. It smells nice. Really nice. Goes on really nicely too. Right then, there we go. That's as much as I'm going to put on. I now need to let that dry. See you in about 20 minutes, or when it's dry. It might take longer. I'll let you know. And guys, I'm back. It's almost dry. There's a couple of little patches where obviously it's a little bit thicker, but it's more or less actually all dry. It's been just over 15 minutes, maybe sort of 18, something like that. Okay, let's see if this, yeah, it's gonna, look. Oh, wow. You know, like some of them really hurt, don't they? This doesn't. It's amazing. Oh, it's so satisfying. Look at the wrinkles when you do that. Oh. Oh, look at this. This is like almost, if I had two hands working, I could probably take this off in one go. Oh, so easy. Look at that. Just look at that. I'm just going to inspect that as well. And look, the whole thing, it's got a little bit of my hair there, but the whole mask has come off as one complete thing. Well, apart from the little bit that I tore, obviously. But there you go. Look at that. That's really good. Didn't hurt or anything. Because some of these peel-off masks really do, don't they? They get stuck in the hairs on your face. Love it. So maybe I'm going to take it back and consider it worth it. I mean, I'm going to get 75 mils in here. I reckon I'm going to get a fair few, maybe half a dozen masks out of this or more. Oh wow, it feels lovely. It feels really just sort of smooth. I'm loving it. Wow, wow, wow. Who'd have thought that I'd really enjoy this one? I know it's £8, but yeah, it seems it's worth it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a nice big thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, just press that little subscription button and notification bell that'll tell you when I've done all my new uploads. Thank you so much for watching, my lovelies. Take good care of yourselves, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now. Bye.